Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of buying cryptocurrency on the Kraken app. Let's get started. First, ensure you have funds in your Kraken account. If you need to deposit money, tap the purple button at the bottom of the app and select Deposit. Choose your preferred currency, like Euro or USD, and use one of the available deposit options to add funds to your account. Once your account is funded, like mine, which has 27 euro, you're ready to buy crypto. Tap the purple button again and select Buy Crypto with Cash. From the list, choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to buy. If it's not immediately visible, search for it in the bar at the top. Next, set your order type. You can select Buy Now, Recurring, or Custom. For this example, I'll choose Buy Now. Tap Max to use all your available funds or enter a specific amount manually. Once you're ready, simply swipe to confirm your purchase. And that's it. You've successfully purchased cryptocurrency on the Kraken app. You can view your new holdings in your portfolio where they'll now appear. If this guide was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.